to another episode of All the Foods, the show where I am getting increasingly good at drumming. Today we're going to be making one of which I am dead sure that you've all had before. Oh, that rhymed. This one is chocolate mousse, and you may be thinking, hang on, that's not particularly regional. And to that I say, well, yeah, but it's in the cookbook and we're doing it and it's yummy. So now it's time to get on to the cooking stuff and my father's exposition.
Hello. Yes, as Simon said, today we're doing a recipe for chocolate mousse, and the reason it comes under the heading of Lancashire regional food is that it comes from Lancashire Cookbook by Catherine Rothwell, and she got the recipe from one of Lancashire's country houses, Meols Hall near Southport, and it was courtesy of a Lady Mary Hesketh. So that's the pedigree of what we're about to do. So here you go, chocolate mousse. Right, I'll start by taking you through the ingredients. So we need 2 slabs of dark chocolate, 4 eggs. We've already separated the whites and the yolks, and 2 ounces of chopped nuts. It doesn't specify exactly which type. I've gone for hazelnuts because I like those, and 2 tablespoonfuls of orange juice. That's fresh orange, not cordial. Yeah, there's a full one in the other fridge. Yeah, just ordinary orange juice. Now, the recipe talks about a bain marie. Now, neither myself nor my unseen assistant really know what one is, but helpfully it says it's a dish over a pan. And what we're going to do is melt the chocolate over a pan of boiling water. Probably best if you do break it up first.
That's gone up floor now.
So we're putting 2 tablespoonfuls of orange juice to help flavour the chocolate. And now just waiting for the chocolate to boil. Okay, so now once it's melted, it has to be whipped or spooned till it's the texture of very thick cream.
Doesn't it? That smells nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's not coming over on the video obviously, but it does already smell very nice. You think that's the right consistency? Yeah, good stuff. Okay, and we now judge it's cooled sufficiently to pour the eggs in and mix them up. Sorry, the egg yolks, leave the whites for now. We're both at it here, so while I'm continuing stirring the chocolate mix with the egg yolks, my unseen assistant is busy whipping the egg whites because they've got to be very stiff.
This smells absolutely fantastic.
Right, well, we hope not to disappoint you.
The eggs from him.
Right, we've cheated a little and used a blender to get it properly stiff. Now you fold it into the mix. Fold basically means pour a bit, stir a bit, that sort of thing. Right, now we pour it into a souffle dish. I'm not sure we've got one, so we'll have to find ourselves. Perhaps we have. Yeah. Okay. And then we put it in the fridge, leave it to cool, and then put it in the fridge overnight. Okay.
It's cold enough.
Oh right, okay. I'm told it's actually cold enough to go straight in the fridge, and then we will be sprinkling on the nuts on the top tomorrow. And Simon will now administer the coup de grace. As you guess, it is the next morning.
These are nuts.
Those are the nuts, yes.
Ah, nuts. Where's the moussey mousse?
It was underneath the nuts in the fridge.
Oh. Well, I feel like a bit of an idiot now. Oh,
Okay.
this looks good.
Yep.
This looks
That
really nice,
sets very nicely. And just sprinkle the nuts over the top.
A few more of those. An easy way to sprinkle anything
Yeah.
is hold them and slowly loosen your grip whilst moving your hand over the top. It
Okay.
makes you get a nice even spread.
Yeah. Perhaps take a bigger pinch next time. Yeah.
There we go.
And
think
a
that this is
few
about
more
what we
at the edges.
Alright.
Yeah.
This actually really does look very nice and it smells fantastic.
Well, we look forward to tasting it when we come back from our trip. Right.
Imagine being a viewer and watching us make this and knowing that you can't have any. That's gotta suck.
I think we've probably got too many nuts, but we can put some back in the pack.
Okay.
No, I didn't mean on. I meant in the there. Right,
I'll
think
just
that's
stick these
okay.
back in the fridge.
Okay. So, and the mousse. Yeah.
Hold on.
I think that will probably be the most predictable taste test we've ever done. Okay, now we have the Simon taste test.
I'm gonna say, boys, I'm incredibly enthusiastic by this. I mean, it looks really good, and I've felt the consistency of it a little bit, and it feels good. I don't know if it tastes good, but good yet. So, got a nice bit, got everything on it, all the nuts and stuff. Cause I quite like having Oh.
I think that means it has the Simon seal of approval.
You're not even going to introduce yourself eating it.
I think I think the viewers probably understand what's going on by this point.
Well, you could still make a comment.
Yeah, it's got a thicker consistency than I was expecting, but very, very nice. So well done to us, and well done to our unseen assistant. This is Meols Hall Chocolate Mousse.